Is it possible to charge the Mavic Mini with Powerbank? Let's find it out. Hello my friends. Today we are going to find out if we can charge DJI Mavic Mini, 2 batteries, and the remote control with the Huawei Powerbank CP11QC. This power bank has 10,000 mAh battery and the output is 2 amperes. Let's start. As you can see, the remote control's battery is almost empty with only one LED turned on. Mavic Mini is almost empty as well, with one LED blinking, and as we check through DJI Fly app, 8% battery life. Firstly, we are going to charge Mavic Mini. It took almost 2 hours to charge the first battery, and 1 hour and 40 minutes to charge the second battery at 82%, before the power bank run out of life. My advice is to charge first the battery and after that the remote control, in order to have both necessary tools ready for flight. I think that this power bank is okay, because when you plan to go for a drone flight, you have all your batteries and the remote charged. So, you need the power bank in case you are somewhere, in a remote area, you have used your batteries and need one more to finish your shots. You can use the power bank to charge the battery, and get it up in the sky again. If you would like to have 2 fully charged batteries and the remote, then you should go for a larger capacity power bank, over 20,000 mAh. Check on next video, if this power bank will manage to charge 2 batteries of GoPro 7 Black. Subscribe to our channel and share if you like. Until next time, stay safe.